What is up? Hey, I am Nick Andrade, health and mindset. Right? Everything starts in here first before you want to get to that next level. Hey, if you just clicked on this video, thank you so much. Today we are talking about the best supplements that I use to help me put on muscle. And like I said, these are what I use, and I'm going to tell you everything I know about them and why I use them. I'm going to show you what I am using for building muscle. Now, before I show you, remember these are supplements. These are here to fill the gaps. You got to make sure you do have a good diet too. Based on your goal, you got to make sure that you're doing everything you can outside of the gym, and that's where you're going to see results. But before I even jump into supplements, I want to talk to you about really quick, make sure you know this, is sleep. Six between 8 hours a day. You're going to hurt yourself, and maybe that's why your body's not responding, right? You want to be consistent with what time you're going to bed at night and what time you're waking up at night, or waking up in the morning. Sleep is super important. That's where your body does all the repairing. This is where your body grows based on whatever goal you're trying to hit. Most importantly, your body is going to run the most efficient at sleep, and you want to make sure you're getting enough sleep, because if you're not sleeping enough, you're not going to hit your goal. You're not going to get that body you want. So make sure that you make sleep number one priority before anything else. It should be sleep and then mindset, right? Sleep, mindset for sure, these two. And then after that, nutrition, and then gym. It shouldn't be gym, supplements, nutrition. It should be the other way around. So I just want you to think about that. That'd be for another video too, if that's something that'd be interested in you. So let's jump into the products right away. I've been taking First Form products for the last 2 years, and I love them. They're out of St. Louis, Missouri. I love what they stand for. They want to do more than just help you with your fitness journey, and I love that. They really deeply care about you as an individual. So I love their products. I love what they're about. So I've been using them, and they've been helping me succeed, get me to that direction that I want to go to with my health and fitness. So Formula One, we got Formula One right here, and what this protein is this is an isolate, whey hydrolyzed protein. Okay, so this protein is a fast digesting protein. Anything isolate is a fast digestion, but this one, fast digesting, your body is going to utilize it right away after a workout. It's going to help you repair those broken down muscle tissue. It's going to help you, if your goal is to lose weight, it's going to help you do that too, right? And then servings, you can take 2. If you're trying to maybe go up in weight, you can take 1, right? So, right, for women, you should be taking half a scoop of this. Okay, so again, it's based on your goals too. And with this product though, super important, I take 2 Ignition. So these 2 must be combined, taken together, because this is a quick carb, a carbohydrate, glycogen. So what's the main source of energy your body utilizes when you're training or doing anything active? Is a carbohydrate, main source of energy. So this is going to restore those depleted glycogen stores. Glycogen is a form of carbohydrate. So what these 2 do together work miracles. They speed up that recovery process. So for Ignition, think of this. Let's do a school bus analogy. So the school bus itself is the quick carb, the ignition, okay? And then all the kids getting on the bus is the protein, okay? So now together, think about it. The school bus is going to drive the protein to the place where it needs to be worked on. You know, you're going to drive it to drive to that spot fast, and that carb is going to make sure that it restores that depleted glycogen level first before it starts working on the broken down muscle tissue. That's what your body's going to do first, no matter what. So that's super important. If you're not taking a quick carb, a carbohydrate after your workout, I highly suggest you do it, because a protein alone isn't gonna repair your muscle tissue right away, because right now your body just utilized carbohydrates as energy, and what your body's gonna do is when it intakes that protein, it's going to convert that to a carb to try to restore those levels before it even focuses on building muscle. So you want to make sure that you take something like Ignition product from First Form with your protein, your Formula 1. So now everything's going to work together, right? That's super important. So this is why I take these two, and my recovery phase is super fast. I'm not that sore as much, and again, I get bloated. You don't get bloated taking this, and that was a big thing of mine. I always got bloated when I took certain proteins. So, and I have a bad stomach, so that was super important to me. So again, think about this. This is going to help you, and based on your goals, you can take this pre-workout or you can take it post-workout. I take it post-workout. I take 1 full scoop. Okay. Based on your goals, you could do a half scoop. Women should take half scoop. Guys, you could take 1 scoop, that's fine. 1 scoop is about, 43 grams carbs. So half of that would be about 23. 22, whatever. So half scoop women, full scoop guys, and you can up your scoop too based on your goal, all right? All about that goal. Same here, same with the protein. So these are my 2 go-to stack for post-workout, or you could do this for a pre-workout if you didn't eat a big carbohydrate meal before your workout. This would be super important. So fast acting, okay. Now let's talk about one more that's been around since the 90s, okay, creatine. We're gonna talk about creatine. Creatine has been around for a long time, and creatine's kind of got a bad rep because people kind of say, I don't want to get that watery look, blow up. Everybody's bodies react differently, but you want to make sure though, a hydrated muscle is a healthy muscle. So what I take by First Form is I take an alpha cre. Okay, so this is creatine. It has beta-alanine in there. It has sodium in there, which is super important because I'm all about that pump. Sodium pulls water towards that muscle to enhance that pump, but creatine is going to allow you to perform more reps, to enhance your performance, to be able to help you build more muscle, drive more water to that muscle. Again, creatine is going to help you being able to push through more reps, right? You got to make sure you're drinking a lot of water, but you got to be committed to this. You could do a scoop intro to workout and post workout, and then try to cycle it on for 3 weeks, and then cycle off it a week. So 3 weeks on and then 1 week off. You want to make sure that you're constantly doing that. You want to stay on it for a while because it's like the kidneys are doing a lot of work. So again, this is a great product right here, and this one tastes good. And get paid. And also I want to say it too, I'm going to have links right below for these products. My links, you're going to be helping me out a lot. You're going to get free shipping too. But this is something I believe in, and this is why I'm telling you. I'm not trying to tell you to go get these. These are just stuff that I believe in, and disservice if I wasn't sharing you with these products that I really love to use. So again, utilize these and tell me what you think, and hey, help me out, because I love First Form, and greatly appreciate it if you guys just try these out. What do you got to lose? These are stuff that I've been taking religiously, and I wouldn't be pushing a product if if I didn't believe in it myself. I'm not like that. I believe in these. They help me. This protein is super smooth. You know, it mixes well with your shaker. So on the go, you don't need to blend it up. It's perfect. I drink this with water. My two favorite flavors is CTC and vanilla milkshake. So, I just want you to know that these are things that I use to help me get towards my goal faster. Right? I don't rely on these supplements. You want to make sure you have a good program involved with your nutrition, and then these come in and fill the gaps, and that's super important. So if you need help, seriously, email me, drop a comment below, right? And let me know if this video was helpful. But before I let you go, I just want you to remember though, start writing your goals down. You know, start journaling, right? Write down your stuff. Write down what you want to achieve, because that is super important. It's something I've been doing for a while now, 3-4 years now. Write down what you want to achieve, and most importantly, this better be a priority, because if this isn't a priority, if your health isn't a priority, you are not going to get to that next level. You know, you aren't going to see those results you want to see. So you got to make it a priority. You got to want it more than someone else. And remember, do it for you, because, you know, it's your life, right? You know, hey, so we came to the end of the video. I really hope you got some value out of this video. Give me a like, you know, subscribe, and go check out those products on the links below. You'll get free shipping. Like I said, you don't have to buy them, but there's something I believe in. So again, go check these out. I greatly appreciate you, and I hope you have a fantastic day and keep going after those goals. Thank you again. I'm Nick Andretti, Health and Mindset. Stay tuned to the next video.